In my previous video, I showed you this plastic restoration solution from Napko which helps in restoring your faded plastic panels, and also I promised you a giveaway, and this is an update on that.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah.
Shout out to Napko, who decided to give away 5 of their plastic restoration solution to our subscribers and followers. And these units are ready to be shipped. Now the only thing left to find out is who are the winners. So let's find out. There are multiple apps and sites to pick random comments from YouTube, Instagram and other social medias, and I decided to go with Raphael's. Now let's create a new giveaway which is first on this channel. Once a new giveaway is created, you need to choose the platform, and in this case we are going with YouTube giveaway. Now let me paste the link of the video in which I discuss the giveaway rules. Now click on start. As you can see, this is the video in which I showed you the plastic restoration product and discussed about the giveaway. Now we need to scan all the comments, so click on load comments. Alright, so this is getting exciting. So we have 5 winners to pick, so let me put the count here. Next, let me click this exclude duplicate button, so all the comments should get equal opportunity irrespective of multiple duplicate comments. Now let's filter the comment by hashtags and the code that I mentioned in the video. You can see all the comments that has been loaded already, and these 48 comments are as of the day that I'm making this video. And you can see all the comments that you viewers have already put, and thank you so much for participating in this contest. Now let's decide the prizes for all the 5 winners, and in this case it is the same for all the 5 winners. After rechecking everything, let's hit on confirm. Now all the settings has been input, and now is the exciting moment. Let's click on start and find out the winner. Thank you so much for participating in this video contest. And these are the 5 winners who got selected in this contest. And people who haven't got a chance to win, don't worry, there are much more giveaways coming soon in the channel, and stay tuned so that you can get an opportunity next time. Now let's congratulate Harsha Kumar, Arun M, Rupam, Lalita, and finally Rananjay for winning the contest. I will DM you on Instagram and communicate regarding the prize, shipment and other details. And for others, keep watching Archeonix. As I mentioned before, there are more such interesting content and giveaways which are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching Archeonix. Subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.
But I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.